Hello everyone, welcome back to physical education class. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. My name is Shamsher Singh, physical education teacher from Cambridge International School, Dasua. As we discussed about chapter number 4, aims, objectives of adaptive physical education, organizations promoting adaptive sports, Special Olympics Bharat, Paralympics. I hope you have understood these topics. Now we will start with the next term, Deaf Olympic and concept of inclusion. So let's start. Deaf Olympics. The Deaf Olympics Games are the biggest international event with players and spectators from all over the world. The games were originally known as International Silent Games before they became the World Games for the Deaf. The most recent name, the Deaf Olympics, was formally adopted in 2001. The Deaf Olympics were given the same status as the Paralympics Games and Olympic Games. This means that Deaflympic Games have the same status for deaf sports as the Olympics for the hearing and the Paralympics for the disabled. The spirit of Deaflympics, where deaf athletes strive to reach the pinnacle of competition by embracing the motto of equality through sports. The flag of the International Olympic Committee has flown next to the flag representing International Committee of Sports for the Deaf at the Summer and Winter Deaf Olympics since 1985. Deaf Olympics are an international Olympic Committee sessioned event at which deaf athletes compete at an elite level. The games have been organized by the Commit International, the Sports, the Shrouds, the International Committee of Sports for the Deaf since the first event. The International Committee of Sports for the Deaf is the main governing body responsible for the organization of Deaf Olympics and other World Deaf Championships. The International Committee of Sports for the Deaf is now approaching the century mark of being the organization behind the building, involving and fortifying the tradition of inviting deaf, hard of hearing elite athletes from all of the world to come together not only to complete in their respective sports but to also develop comradeships between their countries. Next is, unlike the athletes in other international Olympic Committee sessioned events, the Olympics, the Paralympics, and the Special Olympics. The Deaflympians cannot be guided by sounds. For example, the starters, guns, bullhorn commands, referee whistles. To fully enforce a drug-free sports environment for all deaf athletes in conjunction with the World Anti-Doping Agency, nickname is WADA. All India Sports Council of the Deaf, New Delhi, which is the national apex body for deaf sports, is one of the 55 sports associations recognized by the Department of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, meaning to promote sports in the country. This All India Sports Council of the Deaf, alone out of the 55 national sports federation associations, conduct under a single canopy championships in all the disciplines at national and international levels. Next point is aims and objectives of Deaf Olympic. To supervise the organization of successful summer and winter Deaf Olympic, to promote and contribute to the development of sport opportunities and competitions from grassroots to elite level for deaf athletes. Next, to promote sports for deaf athletes without discrimination of political, religious, economic, disability, gender, or race reason. Last, to support and encourage educational, cultural, research, and scientific activities that contribute to the development and promotion of the Deaf Olympics. To fully enforce a drug-free sports environment for all deaf athletes. Next point is concept of inclusion. Inclusion can be defined as the act or state of being part of something larger. In a social context, inclusion means every person has the possibility to participate fully and equally in all social processes, right from the beginning and regardless of individual skills, social original, age, ethnic, etc. Inclusion is something which cannot be done to people. It is something in which people are actively involved. Valuing and respecting human diversity, the practice of inclusion fosters a sense of community and belonging, enabling all people to participate in every area of life. Inclusion in education is an approach to educating children with special educational needs. Under the inclusion model, children with special needs spend most or all of their time with non special needs of children. Inclusion rejects the use of special schools or classrooms to separate children with disabilities from children without disabilities. Next is concept of inclusive education. Inclusive education differs from the integration or mainstreaming model of education, which tended to be concerned principally with disability and special educational needs, and learners changing or becoming ready for or deserving of accommodation by the mainstream. By contrast, inclusion about the child's right to participate and the school's duty to accept the child. Inclusive education is defined as process of addressing the diverse needs of all learners by reducing barrier to and within the learning environment. The statement solicits governments to give the highest priority to making education systems inclusive and adopt the principle of inclusive education as a matter of policy. The idea of inclusion is further supported by the United Nations Standard Rules on Equalization of Opportunities for Persons with Disability, proclaiming participation and equality for all. Dear students, if you have any queries regarding the topic, you can write me and you can call me. So, at the end, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for joining me.